with meteorologist Kyle Hanson, certified most accurate forecast by Weather Rate.
Well, Zeta strengthened back up to a hurricane last night and unfortunately showing no signs of stopping its intensification. You can see this is a 2-hour loop satellite of Zeta, and that eye really becoming more defined. Around the eye, you have these thunderstorms. You can see here those clouds, those reds popping up on satellite around the eye. That's a sign that this is going to continue to strengthen, and it is doing so right now. So the forecast for later on today is for this to get back up to, it's never been this strong so far, but 100-mile-an-hour winds, Category 2 storm definitely possible later on today. Perhaps even as soon as this morning. Later this morning, it could become a Cat 2 storm. Eyeing a landfall in southeastern Louisiana, and of course, the track of the center is going to be to the northwest of us. But we're on the east side of the storm. That's going to push that water right up against our coastline with that south to north wind. Going to bring us some storm surge. That wind is also faster on the eastern side because that wind direction is working with the forward speed of the storm too. So we get tropical storm warnings up for the whole area. Mobile County, Baldwin County, Northwest Florida, interior counties as well. Greene and George County under tropical storm warnings. This means in these areas, winds will be 39 miles an hour or higher. Of course, the threshold for hurricane force is 74 miles an hour, and that's what we could get in coastal Mississippi. We're going to be close to that, though. If you're one county away from that hurricane warning, that's what the forecast is here. 55 to 65 mile an hour sustained winds possible tonight. Southern Mobile County, Dauphin Island, George County, parts of Greene County. The rest of Mobile County going for 45 to 55 mile an hour winds. That also includes Washington County, Clark County, and coastal Baldwin County, 45 to 55 mile an hour winds. Then as you head east into northwest Florida and interior Baldwin County, we're going for 35 to 45 mile an hour winds. Again, gusts could be higher than this, and power outages are possible everywhere. Prepare for that possibility, but it's more likely where you get those faster winds, of course. In terms of storm surge, it's going to be most significant for Dauphin Island by La Battery into the Mississippi coastline, where 6 to 9 feet of surge is possible. This is recently updated for Mobile Bay, 4 to 6 feet possible for Mobile Bay. That's the western and eastern shore. Direct coastline on the Gulf for Baldwin County is 3 to 5 feet, and then 2 to 4 feet as you head into northwest Florida. So storm surge and wind most likely going to be the biggest impact out of this event tonight. We also have the chance of a few isolated tornadoes. It's best in this yellow shading right here from George County to Mobile County back into northwest Florida, Baldwin County. It's a level 2 out of 5 risk. A few isolated tornadoes are going to be possible with these outer bands tonight. Still possible in the dark green here to the north, but that's a level 1 out of 5, so it's a little bit of a lower risk. Temperatures right now in the mid to upper 70s. We're 78 in Pensacola, 77 in Mobile. It's a warm and humid start to the day. Temperatures are going to be similar throughout the day with clouds in place. We get some heavy rain coming into Dauphin Island right now. Also, southern Mobile County, George County, Greene County. Seeing some bands of heavy rain. That will continue this morning off and on. It's not going to be an all-day rain today during the daytime hours. Zeta is still well off to the southwest in the Gulf of Mexico by midday. And then in the late afternoon or evening, that's when a landfall is expected in southeastern Louisiana. Rain starts to pick up for us. Winds pick up as well, pushing that water up against our coastline, bringing storm surge. In some of these outer bands too, northeastern side of the storm, we could see some isolated tornadoes starting southwest, moving northeast with the storm itself. Heavy bands of rain, and the wind really peaks about 9-10 o'clock for, say, Mobile, Baldwin County, and George County. Then it moves off towards the north by midnight. For our northern counties, some of the lingering outer bands around 1, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning in northwest Florida, Escambia County, Connecticut County will also lead for the potential of a few lingering isolated tornadoes possible. But by 6 a.m. tomorrow, it's really far out of here. It's pushing well to the east, and we see the sunshine by the middle of the day tomorrow. Rainfall amounts about 2 to 4 inches for Washington County down to interior Mobile County. 3 to 6 as you head into southeastern Mississippi, 1 to 2 inches when you get into Baldwin County, maybe even only 1 inch as you head into, say, Santa Rosa County, Okaloosa County, Florida. Flash flood watches are up. I don't think it's a big potential, but we could see some minor little pockets here of rain that lead to some flash flooding. But again, we're not looking at super excessive rainfall like we've seen with past tropical systems. Now for the wind, that picks up this evening. It picks up gradually through the day today, but it really peaks in intensity 8, 9, 10 o'clock tonight. There are those winds, 45, 55, perhaps even close to 60 miles an hour or 65 on Dauphin Island. Again, it's faster the further northwest you go, a little bit lighter as you head towards the east, but still strong enough of a wind to cause some damage here and there. And then those winds really lift up and out of the area by very late tonight and early tomorrow morning. Thursday is a mostly dry day, breezy still, but look at these temperatures really cooling down as a cold front pushes through. Overnight lows in the 40s, so very fall-like weather for Halloween weekend.
All right, thank you.